So one of the things that you can go ahead and use in Jotform is work around with character counter widget inside of Jotform. So whatever you type is actually counted out. So to do that, you can go ahead and click on add element, and then you can go to widgets right here. And then over here in search widgets, you can go ahead and type in character right here, just like this. And here you can see character counter. So if I were to go ahead and click right here, then what happens is that I get a widget right here with character counter right here. So I'm just going to go around and say, write your notes right here. Let's say, for example, and then I'm going to go ahead and give a character count of 100. Let's say, for example, and you can see that there's the warning which is given when 10 characters are left. So let's just go ahead and update and then preview out the form, and let's see how this actually works. So I'm just going to go around and say, I am going to tell you about how much I like Jotform and the way TutorTube YouTube channel teaches it. So you can see that as I actually type in, you can see that it shows warning saying that there's this many characters left. So if you want a specific number of characters only during submission, you can go ahead and utilize this character counter. So I'm just going to go around and then type this out. So I'm just going to say teaches it right here, and this is what you have. And then you can see that by utilizing this, your users can actually go ahead and type in something by being in a specific character range. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize character counter widget inside of Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.